Hello and welcome to Future Tech, the channel where we explore the latest innovations in technology that are shaping our world. In today's episode, we will look at some of the most exciting tech trends that are expected to dominate the next few years. Let's get started. 1. AI everywhere. Artificial intelligence is no longer a sci-fi fantasy. It is becoming real in every aspect of our lives, from personal assistants to self-driving cars. AI is also transforming businesses, enabling them to create more intelligent products and services, automate complex processes, and enhance customer experiences. For example, Stitch Fix uses AI-enabled algorithms to recommend clothes to its customers that match their sizes and tastes. Contactless, autonomous shopping and delivery will also be a huge trend for 2023. AI will make it easier for consumers to pay for and receive goods and services without human intervention. AI will also augment nearly every job in every industry, helping workers to perform better, faster, and safer. 2. Parts of the metaverse will become real. The metaverse is a term that describes a more immersive internet where we can work, play, and socialize on a persistent platform. It is a combination of augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, and other technologies that create a digital layer over the physical world. Experts predict that the metaverse will add $5 trillion to the global economy by 2030, and 2023 will be the year that defines the direction of the metaverse for the next decade. AR and VR technology will continue to advance, offering more realistic and interactive experiences. For example, Facebook's Horizon is a social VR platform where users can create their own avatars, explore different worlds, and connect with others. The metaverse will also enable new forms of entertainment, education, and commerce, as well as new challenges for privacy and security. 3. Blockchain beyond cryptocurrency. Blockchain is a technology that enables secure and transparent transactions without intermediaries. It is best known for powering cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but it has many other applications beyond finance. Blockchain can be used to create decentralized platforms for identity management, supply chain tracking, voting systems, digital art, and more. Blockchain can also enable smart contracts, which are self-executing agreements that are triggered by predefined conditions. For example, smart contracts can be used to automate insurance claims, rental payments, or royalty distributions. Blockchain can also foster social impact by providing access to financial services, reducing corruption, and empowering marginalized communities. 4. Robotics revolution. Robotics is another field that is experiencing rapid growth and innovation. Robots are becoming more capable, versatile, and affordable, thanks to advances in AI, sensors, and materials. Robots can perform tasks that are too dangerous, tedious, or complex for humans, such as mining, manufacturing, or surgery. Robots can also provide companionship, entertainment, and education. For example, Sony's Aibo is a robotic dog that can recognize faces, respond to voice commands, and learn from its environment. Robotics can also enhance human abilities by providing exoskeletons, prosthetics, or brain-computer interfaces. 5. Software 2.0. Software 2.0 is a term that refers to machine-written code that can generate software applications without human intervention. Software 2.0 is powered by AI techniques such as deep learning and natural language processing that can learn from data and produce code that is more efficient, reliable, and scalable than human-written code. Software 2.0 can also enable new forms of creativity and innovation by allowing anyone to create software without coding skills. 6. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a technology that uses a powerful language model called GPT-4 to create automated chatbots that can understand and produce natural language texts. ChatGPT can enable anyone to create their own chatbots without coding skills, using a simple drag-and-drop interface. ChatGPT can also generate realistic and engaging conversations with users, using data from various sources and domains. For example, ChatGPT can create chatbots for customer service, education, entertainment, health, and more. ChatGPT can also learn from user feedback and improve over time. 7. Digital twins. Digital twins are virtual replicas of physical objects, systems, or processes that can be used to simulate, monitor, and optimize their performance. Digital twins can be created using data from sensors, cameras, and other sources that capture the real-time state of the physical counterpart. Digital twins can also be integrated with AI, cloud, and IoT technologies to enable advanced analytics and decision-making. For example, digital twins can be used to test new designs, predict failures, reduce costs, and improve efficiency in various industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, energy, and transportation. 8. Biotechnology. Biotechnology is a field that applies biological principles and techniques to create new products and solutions for various challenges. Biotechnology can involve manipulating DNA, cells, tissues, organs, or organisms to achieve desired outcomes. Biotechnology can also leverage AI, big data, and nanotechnology to enhance its capabilities and applications. For example, biotechnology can be used to create new vaccines, drugs, diagnostics, therapies, crops, materials, and more. Biotechnology can also enable personalized medicine, gene editing, synthetic biology, and bioengineering. 9. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is a technology that uses the principles of quantum physics to perform computations that are beyond the reach of classical computers. Quantum computers can process massive amounts of data and solve complex problems faster and more efficiently than conventional computers. Quantum computers can also exploit quantum phenomena such as superposition and entanglement to enable new possibilities and functionalities. For example, quantum computers can be used to enhance cryptography, optimization, machine learning, simulation, chemistry, and more. Quantum computing is still in its early stages of development but has the potential to revolutionize many fields and industries. 10. Green technology. Green technology is a term that encompasses any technology that aims to reduce the environmental impact of human activities and promote sustainability. Green technology can involve using renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, hydro, or biofuels, developing energy-efficient devices and systems, reducing waste and emissions, recycling and reusing materials, enhancing natural resources, and creating eco-friendly products and services. For example, green technology can be used to power smart cities, electric vehicles, carbon capture systems, biodegradable plastics, and more. Green technology can also help mitigate the effects of climate change and support the transition to a circular economy. These are some of the most exciting tech trends that will shape the future of technology in the next few years. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Thank you for watching and see you next time on Future Tech.